Classes start today. Explain the operation of the software through 7 parts of the system. In the middle, there will be the study of animation theory interspersed. Even if you hadn't studied animation before, you don't have to worry at all. You just have to follow along. What about after the course is over? You will be pleasantly surprised. I'm at the same level as those advanced animators. You can easily find a job as a professional animator. The first part, we will take a moment to introduce the interface of the software. You don't need to memorize everything in this section. You just need to familiarize yourself with the structure of the interface and the location of each function, and some general principles of operation. Are these things in the later courses? We will explain in more detail. So even if you don't memorize every command, it doesn't matter. Just relax and keep listening. What about in the second part is the binding of the role. Those who have 3D work experience, they'll learn this part of it easily. So if you understand, you can skip certain parts. But if you don't have a similar experience, it doesn't matter. I will tell you systematically and how to create characters from PS, how to create bones, and all forms of animals. What is the structure of the skeletal relationship between characters? What about in the third part is a keyframe animation. Here it is. You will learn some knowledge of animation theory. And how do you apply that to your character? Make your character appear more informative, more interesting. What about the fourth part? It's about drawing characters in the software. There are tools that can be used. Line sketches are divided into layers, or directly create characters. Then you can play as you like. In fact, software is just a tool to assist you. You can make the most of it. Your imagination. The fifth part is the lock system in Moho. It can assemble its own character in minutes. Easily animate for humans, animals, or whatever you want. Any organism or object that creates bones. What about this powerful working system? It can be integrated with a variety of functions, such as physical particles, frame-by-frame animation, etc., mixing. Easily get professional effects of games and animations. In the sixth part, you will learn how to make background visual operations and more. Enrich your animation, because it can provide more depth of field. Present professional animation effects in the camera. Part 7, it is the explanation of some professional tools. If you are going to work as an animator, or about to become a professional animator, so master these tools. It must be your advantage that sets you apart from others. Because of these tools, characters and scenarios that can help you add richer animation effects. So the set of courses you listen to today is very good value. It allows you to do it in the shortest possible time, the cheapest way to learn this powerful software, and directly promoted from beginner to senior animator. What are you still hesitating about? Just focus on learning.